was just in the store, and these young ladies, they started to fight, and it got me scared. But I thought I would come out here and tell you what I got in the store today. I got some Jiffy. I do most of my baking with Jiffy. Jiffy is good for biscuits, for waffles, and lots of other things. Jiffy. I also got some breadcrumbs. You got to get the plain ones for the meatloaf. I like meatloaf. It is very good for you. You sprinkle it a little bit and the meat, and you mix. Sometimes my grandchildren come over. Yeah. And they eat the meatloaf. We love the meatloaf at my house. My husband isn't with us no more. Yeah. It was sad. He was taken away about 5 years ago. So I've been by myself, but I still make the meatloaf. Yeah, Albert. I miss him sometimes. Yeah. Anyway, I'm sure you don't want to hear that. I got one more thing. This is gonna surprise you. I got some tomato sauce. Oh, the hair's in my eye. Okay. I like tomato sauce on a lot of things. It's pretty scrumptious. Maybe if those girls in there had some tomato sauce in my meatloaf, they wouldn't have been fighting the way they were doing. Because ladies, in my time, we didn't do something like that, you know. We were polite, and we cooked, and we didn't argue with anybody else. But you know, that was a very long time ago. Things have changed. Well, I was a little lonely, so I thought I would come and chat with you for a while. And I hope to do it again. Probably don't have nothing else to do but make my meatloaf. Maybe one day I'll bring you in my kitchen and we can make some meatloaf together. Would you like that? Yeah? Well, I guess I'll bid you adieu. Until next time. I'll see you later. might have to go the other way. Have a nice day.